We will tell you how you could get rich before your 50s. If you follow all the 8 tips discussed in this video, you will easily get rich before your 50s. The 8th tip is very crucial, so watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Practice living within your budget. Achieving millionaire status in your 50s requires a lifestyle of frugality and careful spending. Actually, it can be quite challenging to identify most millionaires, as they appear just like ordinary individuals. They didn't accumulate wealth by living lavishly. In the popular book, Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley, it is revealed that many individuals with significant wealth lead modest and unassuming lifestyles. Dealing with consumerism can be quite challenging in today's world, where we are bombarded with advertisements at every turn. In today's world, our social media feeds and constant advertisements inundate us with messages that imply our worth and success are tied to owning the newest gadgets, wearing the trendiest clothes, or driving a luxury car. One effective strategy to accumulate wealth is to resist the temptation to make unnecessary purchases. Number 2. Understand your total assets and liabilities. Being mindful of your income, spending, expenses, and net worth is crucial for developing a strong financial perspective. In order to determine your net worth, it is necessary to provide a comprehensive list of your assets, including the funds in your bank account, retirement savings, investments, property, and vehicles. Afterward, calculate your outstanding debts, including credit card debt, student loans, car loan, and mortgage. What's left is your net worth. If your debts or loans exceed your assets, then you have a negative net worth. Calculating your net worth can be made simple by utilizing the complementary financial management tools available. By connecting your financial accounts, the app will effortlessly calculate your net worth and provide a wealth of additional features. Be sure to verify the app's trustworthiness. If you want to know more financial tips to get rich, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Make sure to pay off your debt before you reach the age of 47. Paying off debt is a crucial step towards achieving financial success. Consider a scenario where you possess a credit card debt of $1,000 and are burdened with an annual interest rate of 20% on that debt. The debt interest payment amounts to $200. When you invest $1,000 in the share market and get a 10% annual return, you could potentially earn $100. Investing in the financial markets won't lead to financial progress if you have high-yield debt. Based on your financial situation, it appears that you will experience a loss of $100 after earning $100 in investment gains and paying $200 in interest payments. While paying off high-yield loans alone may not lead to becoming a millionaire before a certain age, it is important to note that having excessive debt can hinder your progress towards that financial milestone. It's important to prioritize paying off your credit cards and high-yield debt. Simply make the necessary sacrifices, cut back on your expenses, and allocate any extra money towards eliminating the debt. Number 4. Maximize your contributions to your retirement funds. Maximizing your 401k contributions is a fundamental step towards achieving financial success. If you fail to contribute sufficient funds to your workplace retirement account to maximize your employer's match, you're essentially wasting money. If you're unable to fully maximize your contributions, currently set at $23,000 per year starting in 2024, with an additional $7,500 catch-up allowance for those over 50, it's advisable to invest at least the amount that your employer is willing to match. It is advisable to consider increasing your retirement account contribution whenever you receive a pay raise. This could potentially be a straightforward method to achieve millionaire status before reaching your 50s. With an annual investment of $18,500 and an average return of 7%, it would take approximately 22 years to reach $1 million. We have consistently maximized our contributions to our retirement accounts over the years and have become adept at managing our expenses with the funds available in our checking account. There were periods of financial strain, but over time, the outcomes of this method have proven to be highly valuable. Number 5. Automate your savings. If you're interested in maximizing your savings, it might be worth considering setting up direct deposits or automatic transfers to your retirement funds. When the money doesn't appear in your bank account, you'll be less inclined to spend it. If you are unable to access the funds, it is highly probable that you will allow them to grow and accumulate over the course of several years. In a book from the past, personal finance expert Jane Bryant Quinn shared a valuable tip on budgeting, automating saving, and investing. Once you've taken care of transferring funds into your savings and investment accounts, you're free to spend the rest as you please. Establishing a direct deposit into a dedicated savings account is a prudent step to address immediate financial requirements, such as building a 6-month emergency fund. Investing in accounts that are less easily accessible, such as an IRA and a 401k, is a wise strategy for building wealth before your 50s. It efficiently utilizes your funds right away, preventing you from impulsively using them for seemingly pressing expenses. Number 6. Explore multiple sources of income. It's important to note that working long hours at multiple jobs is not always the best approach. However, it can be beneficial to consider taking on some additional work, especially if your goal is to pay off debt or save money quickly to get rich. Consider diversifying your income by exploring additional sources of revenue alongside your regular job. By diversifying your sources of income, you can accelerate your journey towards becoming a millionaire. There are numerous ideas for side hustle opportunities. One option is to consider investing your savings from your regular job into a duplex or triplex. Maximize your investment potential by living in one unit while the other unit covers the majority or even the entirety of your mortgage. Keep saving money until you can comfortably purchase a second multifamily home that you can rent out completely. Investing demonstrates how the returns from your stock market or REIT, real estate investment trust, investments can steadily increase over time, requiring minimal supervision. We have made several videos on the best passive income streams available. You may click on the I button to watch those. Number 7. Surround yourself with people who share similar interests and values. Remember the wise words of your mother from your teenage years. You tend to adopt the qualities of those you surround yourself with. Surround yourself with individuals who share your ambition for financial success. Following the path of those who indulge in a luxurious lifestyle, frequenting high-end restaurants, driving fancy cars, wearing designer clothes, and going on extravagant vacations will not lead to millionaire status. You don't have to be surrounded by millionaires to benefit from this tip. It is important to surround yourself with individuals who have similar values and goals. When you're trying to build wealth and your friends are more focused on living in the moment and spending their money, it can be challenging to stay committed to your own financial goals. Developing strong financial habits now will shape your behavior and pave the way to financial success before the 50s. Number 8. Dream big and take action accordingly. If you're hoping to achieve millionaire status, working just a few hours a week for minimum wage won't quite cut it. Making changes to your spending habits beyond just cutting Starbucks visits won't be enough. To achieve millionaire status before your 50s, it's crucial to adopt a broader perspective and embrace actions that may initially appear daunting. It is important to remain determined, even in the face of obstacles and challenges. By taking a calculated risk, you may find a shorter path to achieving millionaire status. Embrace new opportunities that push you out of your comfort zone and allow you to expand your reach and network. This could include speaking at conferences or representing your organization at national gatherings. Put in more effort than your colleagues and confidently request a salary increase. If you can provide the reason for your raise, you will most probably get a raise and thus get rich easily. Now watch the video appearing on the left side to know the things you should learn from millionaires. If you know what the millionaires know, you can get rich even sooner. So watch that video and also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified about latest financial updates.